Hey there, welcome to this quick guide on optimizing Scite Assistant settings. In just a few minutes, you'll learn how to control Scite's behavior for more precise, research-backed responses. First, let's access the settings. Click the gear icon in Scite Assistant to open the settings panel where all your customization options live. Let's start with reference requirements. You have three options. Let Assistant decide offers a balanced approach for most queries. Always use references ensures every claim is backed by evidence, and never use references is best for summary style outputs. Next is evidence source. This controls where Scite pulls information from. Both uses full text and abstracts for comprehensive analysis. Abstracts only works best for fresh content or quick reviews, and citation statements only focuses on how research builds upon prior work. The table mode toggle is powerful for data extraction. When enabled, it creates a tabular visualization with multiple columns. And this is perfect for systematic reviews, comparing methodologies, or extracting specific data points across multiple studies. The reference year range filter lets you specify timeframes. So this is crucial when you need current research or want to examine specific periods. Publication types lets you filter by document category like clinical trials, reviews, case reports, and a lot more. Similarly, the journals filter narrows results to specific journals you want to focus on. Choose your preferred citation style, whether it's APA, MLA, AMA, or many others in this list, to match your specific writing needs. This saves reformatting time when incorporating Scite's output into your own work. Response length controls how detailed your answers will be, whether short, medium, or long. The number of publications to consult slider is powerful but often overlooked. For fact-checking or established research workflows, 1 to 10 publications works well. For literature reviews or exploratory work, try 20 to 50. And then for comprehensive analysis or identifying research gaps, push to 50 to 100 plus. The reference ranking strategy determines how Scite prioritizes sources. Relevance for topic-focused matching, recency for latest developments, citations for high-impact research, supporting for confirming evidence, and contrasting for debates and risk analysis. Different models excel at different tasks. So GPT-5 Nano is our default right now and balances speed with quality. We recommend experimenting with different models until you find which outputs you prefer for your specific research needs. Each model has distinct strengths, so don't hesitate to try several for the same query to compare results. And at the bottom of the settings panel, you'll find powerful filters that ensure Assistant only pulls from sources you've pre-selected, giving you maximum control over your research scope. Dashboards let you run Assistant on collections you've built around specific topics. Analyze documents allow you to upload your own documents that you can also look at within Assistant. And publications is a way for you to filter down based on specific publications you want to see. Remember, quality in equals quality out. Take time to configure your settings properly, and Scite Assistant will deliver more precise, valuable research insights.